Hello everyone, welcome to MathSub. In this video, we are going to see some problems from ICSC Selena Class 9 Exercise 6G. See, first fourth problem. From Delhi station, if you buy 2 tickets for station A and 3 tickets for station B, the total cost is Rs 77. But if you buy 3 tickets for station A and 5 tickets for station B, the total cost is 124. What is the fares of Delhi from station A, to station A and to station B? See here they give two conditions. One, if you buy 2 tickets for station A, 2 tickets to station A and 3 tickets to station B, 3 to B, the total cost is how much? They give it as 77. Okay. In order to get the total cost, what we have to do? We have to add the cost of these 2 tickets and these 3 tickets. So, suppose the cost of ticket to A, let cost of ticket to A be X and to B be Y. Now this will be 2X plus 3Y equal to 77. That's all right. Why? The cost of one ticket is X and 2 tickets to station A. So what you have to do? 2 into X. So it is 2X and 3 tickets to station B. So it will be 3Y. Next one. What we have to do? And if we buy 3 tickets to station A, 3 to A means what? 3 tickets means 3x plus 5 tickets to station B, 5 tickets to station B. So 5 into y, the cost is how much? 124, it is 124. So what we have to do? We have to find the cost. That means x and y we have to find. So what will we get? These two are the equations. So this equation multiply with 3. In order to equate the coefficients, what will you get? 6x plus 9y equal to what? 3 7 is 21 and 3 7 is 21. It is true. 31. 6x plus 10y equal to 124 into 2. 248. Okay. Minus, minus and minus. This will get cancelled. Minus y is equal to minus 17. So what is y? Y equal to 17. Cost of ticket to station B is 17 rupees and substitute 17 here. What will you get? 17 3 is 51. It will go that side minus 51. So 2x is equal to 77 minus 51. How much it is? 2x is equal to 26. So x is equal to 13. Let us verify whether these answers are correct or not. 2 tickets to station A, 13 2 26 plus 3 tickets to station B, 17 3, it is 51. It is nothing but 77. So the answer is correct. In the same way, if you verify second condition also, we will get correct answer. Next question. See this carefully. Sixth problem. 90% acid solution and 97% acid solution are mixed to obtain 21 liters of 95% acid solution. What they are telling? 90% acid solution plus 97% acid solution mixed to give what? 95% acid solution, right? 21 liters of 95% acid solution. We have to find how many liters we have added. Suppose first to take the condition. Okay, here we don't know how many liters added. Let 90% first acid is x liters and second acid is y liters. So total mixed how many liters we will get? 21, right? So x plus y is equal to 21. This is the first equation. And for getting second equation, here we have one indirect condition. Nothing but, see, 90% of one solution plus 97% of another solution is equal to 95% one more solution. That means what? 90% of first solution is nothing but 90 by 100 into x plus 97 by 100 into y gives rise to what? 95% solution. So 95% of how much? 21, right? So 95% of 21. Next, what we have to find? How many liters of each solution are mixed? We have to find how many liters we have mixed. See here, first condition is capacity and second condition is concentration. Concentration means here it is in this out of x liters it is 90% concentrated and out of y liters it is 97% and out of 21 it is 95% is the acid. Okay, 90. That means in question only they give. What they give? See, 90% acid solution is nothing but in that 90% is acid and 10% is water. In the same way, in this x, 90% is acid and in the y, 97% is acid and in 21 liters we have 95% acid. So these two are equations. From this, can I tell 90x plus 97y is equal to 95 into 21? I can tell, right? In the same way, here I am keeping it as it is. Why? Because see here also have 25. If you multiply it with 90, what you will get? 90x plus 90y equal to 90 into 21, right? So see here what I am doing, minus, minus and minus. Here you will get 7y is equal to, out of 95, 21 here, 21 is 95 times and here 21 is 90 times. From 95 times, if you subtract 90 times, how many times is remaining? 5 times, right? So 5 into 21, 7 1, 7 3. So y equal to 15. Nothing but 97% solution is how many liters? 15 liters and remaining 6 liters is first acid. See here we don't have a direct condition. Okay, first this liters it is there directly, and the second condition is we have to take from the concentration. Okay, how much acid is present in first acid and how much acid present in second acid gives you how much acid present in the formed acid solution. Okay, like this you have to solve this one. Next one, see, class 11 students see here, class 11 students of a school wanted to give a farewell party to the outgoing students of class 12. They decided to purchase two kind of sweets, one consisting 250 per kg and other costing 350 per kg. They estimated that 40 kgs of sweets were needed. See, how many kgs total needed? See, from the condition first, right? Total required. How many kgs required? Equal to 40 kgs, right? And if the total cost is how much? 11,800. See, total cost, total budget is equal to rupees 11,800 and cost of first sweet is cost per kg of first sweet. How much? Is equal to rupees 250 and the second sweet is rupees, cost per kg of second sweet is equal to rupees 350. See, this is the given things. These are the given things. Now we have to find how many kgs of each sweet is required. So first let first sweet be x kgs and second sweet be y kgs. So what we can tell? Total number of kgs how many? 40. So x plus y equal to 40. This is one equation, right? And second one is cost. So there are x kgs of first sweet and each kg cost is 250. Therefore total cost is how much? 250x plus second sweet is 350 per kg. There are y kgs. So equal to how much? 11,800. So here I have to multiply with, or else I will cancel 0 every 25x plus 35y equal to 1180, and again cancel with 5. 5 5 are 25, 5 7 are 30, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 36. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 236, and here if you multiply with 5, what will you get? 5x plus 5y is equal to 5 4 200. So minus minus minus, 2y is equal to 36. So y is equal to 18. Second sweet is 18 kgs. So first sweet will be x is equal to, total it is 40. So 40 minus 18, it is 22. So first sweet is 22 kgs and second sweet is 18 kgs required. Okay. In the same way, we can do next problem. Moving on to ninth problem. See what it is, or else we will teach eighth problem only. This is also somewhat a new problem. Which one it is? Eighth one. See, Mr. and Mrs. Ahuja weigh x kgs and y kgs respectively. What are the weight of Mr. Ahuja? It is x kgs, and Mrs. Ahuja, it is y kgs. Okay, their weights. Next, what they told? They both take a dieting course, at the end of which Mr. Ahuja loses 5 kgs. See, Mr. Ahuja loses 5 kgs means what? He become x minus 5 kgs after the course, and what they told? And weighs as much as his wife waited before the course. Nothing but he weighed as much as his wife waited before the course. What is the weight of his wife before the course? It is y kg. So this is one condition. So x is equal to what we will get? Y plus 5. This is the first condition. Next one. Mrs. Ahuja loses 4 kgs. She loses 4 kgs means what? Her weight is y minus 4, and what they told about this? This is, and weight 7 by 8 of what? Her husband waited before the course. Her husband waited x kgs before the course, and so 7 by 8 times means 7 by 8 of x, right? So what will you get? 8y minus 32 is equal to 7x. So x you know already. Here they are asking, form two equations in x and y. Already we got. First equation is x minus y equal to 5. This is the first equation, and from here 7x minus 8y plus 32 equal to 0. Everything I send that side. Okay, these are the two equations. Now we have to solve these two. So already x is equal to y plus 5. Substituting here, 7 into y plus 5 minus 8y plus 32 is equal to 0. 7y plus 7 5 is 35 minus 8y plus 32 is equal to 0. 35 plus 32 is 67. You will go that side, minus 67 minus y is equal to minus 67. So y is equal to 67, and here what is x? X is equal to y plus 5. So x is equal to 67 plus 5. It is 72. Therefore, weight of Mr. Ahuja is 72 kgs and Mrs. Ahuja is 67 kgs. Okay, this is how we have to change the given sentences into equations first, and then we have to solve those equations. Thank you.